Hello guys. So recently, around 2 days ago, Elon Musk has tweeted that he does not believe in the metaverse. Okay, and the reason is simple. He said that when he was young, his children will ask him to do not look at the screen very closely. Okay, and then for metaverse, you actually need to put the computer or the screen, okay, very close to your eyes, and it will cause you a great headache. Okay, maybe his point is not very scientific. Okay, maybe his point is not very technological, but actually I agree with Elon Musk. At this moment, I believe that the whole metaverse is just a little bit a scam, or I will call it a joke. And we need to understand that metaverse, okay, is a concept which many people talk about in the past 10 years. It's not created by Facebook. Facebook just, it changed the company name from Facebook to Meta, and then it also said that, it will engage more in the metaverse, okay? And the reason is simple. Facebook has no other business it can explore. It has Instagram, it has WhatsApp, but then in all social media, now Facebook is just a failure. Okay, yes, indeed, WhatsApp or Instagram may be still okay, but we all know that we cannot see any explosive growth in these two sectors. And then for Facebook, a lot of research has proved that the average age of people using Facebook is increasing. Okay, currently it's around 30 or 35 years old. So it means that the young people won't use Facebook, do not use Facebook, and it's one major problem. Because for every social media to succeed, it must need to attract those young people to use. So Facebook know that it's now suffer a great issue, and then it plan to maybe make a bet, make a gamble, and want to succeed in the metaverse. But it does not mean it can succeed. Okay, to me, metaverse is a concept. It won't be very successful in the coming 20 years. We all heard about 3D printing, right? Maybe you even know the 3D printing. Actually, around 8 years ago, 3D printing is a very popular concept in the Wall Street, in the investment world. And actually, the ARK cafe will also have a 3D printing ETF. But we all know that in the past year, 3D printing, the stock related to 3D printing perform very not good, or I can say perform badly. Okay, some listed company actually go private or delisted in the stock market. So I'm thinking metaverse may be just the old 3D printing concept. It is popular maybe for 1 year or two, and then no people talk about it. Okay, just like the Beyond Meat. Okay, the plant meat, is a very popular concept 2 years ago. Okay, Impossible Food, Beyond Meat. Okay, many people said that the plant meat is the next generation food. But now we all see that Beyond Meat stock price perform very bad. Okay, it dropped quite a lot, and I honestly lose money on Beyond Meat. Okay. You know that in my channel I always want to be very transparent and honest, and yes, I lose money in Beyond Meat. So I think a metaverse is something like that. Okay, people this day may be very engaging in it, but later on people will simply fold it into rubbish bin. So I don't believe in metaverse, and you must don't believe in metaverse as well. And because this day YouTube don't recommend my video, if you find my video helpful, I really hope you can subscribe my channel. It means so much to me. And currently I have 39 subscribers, and it all 39 subscribers, and they are very important to me, and I really hope you can be the 40 subscriber. So that's the end of my video. Wish you a great day. Thank you.